Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about how we can improve our English. So first tip is about we have to start listening English. Anything you are doing, you have to listen it in English. Start watching videos, web series and YouTube videos in English. If you listen English, it will help you to understand English. And the second tip is write English. Write at least one page a day. It will also help us to improve your English. And the third tip is try to speak English. Try to speak English. Start speaking English. It doesn't matter how your English is. Start from now. Don't think that if I become a pro, then I will start speaking English. If you can't start today, you can't become pro in English. If you want to become pro, you have to start from there. And the fourth tip is learn at least two, 2 to 4 words in English, new words in English, and use it in sentence. And fifth point is start practicing English in daily. What you are doing, just say in English. Right now I am sitting there and recording my video. You can see my hand gesture. This kind of things. What you are doing, just say it in English. That's all for today. See you in the next video.